Hello everyone and welcome to Housey. Today we'll be revealing the teaser of Sky Lawn, a project by Shapurji Palanji Real Estate located in Manjri, Pune. But before starting, do you know what is Housey? So Housey is India's first real estate platform that connects home buyer directly with the developers, thereby giving you all the bottom rate guarantee. अनलाइक करंट लिस्टिंग प्लेटफॉर्म जहां अगर हम एक इंक्वायरी कर लेते हैं तो हमारा कॉन्टेक्ट शेयर हो जाता है मल्टीपल ब्रोकर्स के साथ वेल वेर इन हाउसी वी कनेक्ट टू डायरेक्टली विद डेवलपर्स हाउसी में लिस्टिंग ब्रोकर्स नहीं बिल्डर्स करते हैं So यहाँ वहाँ जाना छोड़िए and book your dream home directly with builders on Housey. Now in this video we will be discussing about project overview, location, amenities, carpet area, booking process, launch discount, offers and many more. So let's start with the project overview. So basically this project will be constructed on total 9 acres of land parcel consisting of 9 towers with each tower of base wing plus 2 level of podium, having 22 residential floors, having 2 BHK premium residencies. Now talking about the location, this project is located on Solapur-Pune highway in Manjri, Pune with Shevle Chowk is 550 meters, Shevalwadi bus stop is 900 meters. SP InfoCity is 3.3 kilometers from the project. Now talking about the amenities, this project will be having 40 plus luxurious amenities like of swimming pool, clubhouse, multi-purpose court, children's play area, party lawn, jogging track and many more. And the most USP of the project is that ये project में आपको मिलेगा रोहित शर्मा Cricket Academy. Yes. Now about the carpet area, as I mentioned, this project will be having 2 BHK premium residences starting from 595 to 686 square feet carpet area. Now let's discuss the booking process. Project booking window will be opening soon. So we are inviting our clients to come and visit this site where our sales team will explain the complete project detail. We'll share the payment and pricing scheme and we'll show you the sample slide also once it's ready. And then if clients like the project, they can proceed for the booking. So everyone, this was a teaser of Sky Lawn located in Manjri, Pune, a project by Shapurji Palanji Real Estate.
If you have any queries related to the project like pricing, exclusive pre-launch discounts, EOI process, brochure, or you want to do a site visit, you can click on the link mentioned in the description. Our NRI clients from UAE, US, Singapore, UK and other countries can also connect with us on the same link. At last, if you like this video and to watch more such new launch teaser videos, subscribe to our channel Housey.